But when it comes to the skin regime, is that something we should be doing on a daily basis, or again, is that the 2 to 3 times a week type thing?
For the face?
Well, face, body in general.
Yeah, on a daily basis, twice a day.
Oh, really?
Yes. So
Right.
it won't take long. It looks really complicated, but
Yeah.
just like if you give less than 5 minutes in the morning, less than 5 minutes in the evening, then you will have glowing, healthy skin.
Oh, Christ,
So
yeah.
you should clean twice a day for
Right.
sure.
Right.
And then with good cleanser to remove this very superficial layer of the skin
Yeah.
without harming it, actually.
Oh,
and
I
then
see.
your skin will be ready to absorb moisturizer that you have. So and then you can apply a serum as well. So
Yeah.
the vitamin C serum is very popular. And then in the morning, if you are going out or not going out, you can put sunblock.
Yeah. Yes.
If you're at home and a big windows or something, you can put sunblock. And then in the evening, you can put active ingredient if you have a problem with the wrinkles like retin A or something strong.
Yeah.
And then if you're really caring about your skin, you exfoliate twice a week.
Oh.
Yeah.
interesting.
And that's it. That will be a good basic routine.
Yeah.
And you don't need to make it very complicated, just very basic, and then you will have a glowing skin. For the
Yeah.
body, you can do the same. You can moisturize and then exfoliate twice a week as well.